Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my dear brothers and sisters. The International Open University is embarking on a brand new Islamic educational project, which is to provide authentic Islamic knowledge to incarcerated Muslims in the US, our unfortunate Muslim brothers and sisters in jail. The program has already been rolled out to inmates across the US and Puerto Rico, and will be extended to include other parts of the world, inshallah. Our incarcerated brothers and sisters will have the choice to study our Islamic Studies diploma or our undergraduate courses of Islamic and Arabic studies. By doing this, we hope to aid their rehabilitation process and assist them in preparing for a successful and productive life after prison. To date, we already have over 3,000 Muslims enrolled in our courses. The lack of Muslim community support for incarcerated Muslims makes it difficult for them to receive the correct guidance which they seek. The International Open University offers a structured program consisting of 6 levels and accessible in hard copy format for the study materials used in the courses, such as books, CDs, DVDs, etc., where internet is not available. Our target is $100,000, which means that we only need 1,000 sincere brothers and sisters to give $100 each to reach this noble goal. As the Prophet ﷺ taught us, one who guides others to a righteous deed gets the reward of one who does the righteous deed. I would like you to look deeply into your hearts and remember our incarcerated brothers and sisters. Please give generously to this Sadaqah Jariyah, a continuing charitable act which will continue to benefit you until the Day of Judgment. For more details, please contact Brother Mutahhir Sabri, Director of IOU USA Operations and the Distance Learning Prison Initiative. Barakallahu fikum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.